I'm gonna be honest, out of all the headband wigs that I have tried, I was the most skeptical about this one being. Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with another wig hair review. So let's get into today's video. So today is a video in collaboration with Iziwigs. I am going to be showing you guys another headband wig. If you don't know, if you're new to my channel, or if you're just not caught up, I have been loving these headband wigs. I am in the process of locking my natural hair, so headband wigs have been like an easy go-to. I've been trying to try different styles because just because it's a headband wig, you are not limited on what you can wear or what you can try. So today I'm going to be showing you guys a bob wig, and so this is just the silky straight headband wig. This is 150 density. It's 8 inches and I got it in the color number 4/27 highlights. So as you guys can see, it's a lot blonder than I was expecting. So we're gonna see how this turns out. But yeah, it has a lot of highlights, a lot of low lights, and my natural hair color is like this chocolatey brown. I've been really enjoying this hair color on me. So we're gonna take it up a notch with some blonde. Alright, so I did go ahead and wash this wig. I'm the type of person, I like to wash my units before installing it. I just feel like it just makes the hair, I don't know, I feel like the hair reacts better when you wash it first. Here's the construction of the wig. Now, I have tried a lot of these headband wigs, and this is the first one that I've tried that doesn't have the clips attached to it. So they did send me like clips within the packaging and everything, but you have to install them yourself, so I'm not really crazy about that. Now, for the sake of this video right now, I'm not gonna sew them on. So hopefully, I'm hoping I don't have to sew them on, because sometimes the little comb clips thing, they can get a little irritating on your head. So I'm gonna see how I can install this without any clips or any type of tension. So you guys have seen me do this process a million times. I'm gonna start by gelling down my edges, and I am using my Style Factor Edge Booster Edge Control. So I just have my hair like pinned down in the back, and then I'm just going to apply a wig cap. I'm gonna use this netted one that they sent me. So I'm gonna apply my wig. Again, this does not have clips. I hope I don't have to go back in and install these clips, but it fits pretty good just throwing it on my head. It feels pretty tight and secure, so I may not have to add the clips right away. I'm gonna tie the headband in the back. You know, like I said, y'all see me do this all the time. I'm actually gonna take a couple bobby pins and pin down the back just to make sure. All right, so here is what we're working with, just plopped on. Again, this is not secured with any clips, and I kind of actually like this because, like I said, the clips can be a little irritating on your head sometimes. So this is like really completely tension free. So this is supposed to be straight hair, but like I said, I washed it, so it does like have a slight wave to it, which I'm not mad at this like little messy wave. Yeah, I'm not mad at this little wave, but I am, for the sake of this video, I'm gonna style it for you guys. So it's still a little damp, so I'm just gonna go in with my blow dryer and make sure that it's completely dry. All right, I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I'm feeling this one. I'm liking her. I haven't even really styled it yet, and I like this one so far. Okay, before we go even further into this video, so I've never really been a color girl. I've always been a little afraid of color, you know, being a brown, deeper toned skin. I've always been afraid of blondes, but like lately I've been getting into these the highlighted wigs and stuff, and I keep going a little lighter and a little lighter, and I really am liking the way that this color is looking against my skin tone. Y'all know my locks are dyed a brown, but this makes me want to go a little lighter with my locks. I don't know if I'm gonna do it yet, but I do like the way that this color looks against my skin tone. Drop down in the comment section and let me know how y'all feel about me with these lighter tones. So I'm gonna straighten this. I think I don't know how I want to style it actually. I am gonna straighten it. I might add a couple of bumps to it because I kind of like it textured and kind of messy like this. But yeah. Oh, I have my crimper too. I think this will be really pretty with some waves. I'm gonna straighten it first so you guys can see the natural texture of this hair. So I'm gonna be using my Baby Bliss Pro Titanium flat iron. I don't know how many inches this is. It's like maybe 1.5 inches. I'm gonna be honest, out of all the headband wigs that I have tried, I was the most skeptical about this one, being that it was gonna be short, and you know, and then when I didn't even have any clips or combs in it, I was really nervous about how this was gonna play out. But I think this might be my favorite wig yet. I don't know, y'all. This is just giving me real silk press and curl, and I like that about this. It's very natural as far as like the length goes. I think the cut is perfect. I didn't have to trim any extras. If you've ever tried like a bob wig, I feel like sometimes you still have to kind of go in and cut it a little more. I didn't have to do any of that. I think I might bump this a little more. Now as far as like the quality of the hair, that's still out for verdict. I mean, so far I haven't had any like issues. As you guys can see, it curls, but being that this is like a blonde texture, adding heat to it, I'm uncertain about the quality in the long term. But for now, you know, it is very soft. So they sent me over a couple of headbands. I'm going to try these on with the unit. So here's the first one. It's just like this printed red and blue. And here's the second one. It's just a brown, green, and blue headband. So because of the length, you are not gonna have many options when it comes to styling, but you can do like a little cute half up, half down or something. So yeah, styling, and you're not gonna get a lot out of this wig, but honestly, I don't feel like bobs need to be styled. Like, a bob is a style in its own. Also, for this like length, I would recommend in just like a traditional headband that you pop on. I'm actually going to show you guys. It's something like this, just because, I mean, it's not too much of a problem, but because of the length, the headband does kind of push the back of the wig up a little bit. And so since it's short and it's a bob, you might feel like your wig is lifted. So I would recommend just like a standard headband like this or something. I think that's better just for this unit. But I mean, the other ones still work. I just personally think I like it better with just something like this. But yeah, you guys, that is it. Again, this wig is from Iziwigs. It is their straight texture in 8 inches, 8-inch bob in the color number 4/27 highlight mix, 150% density. Per usual, I will have all of the details linked down in the description box for you guys to go check out. I'm just really in love with this color, honestly. I like the color, I like the shape, I like the length. Like, I do like my longer wigs, I do like longer hair, but it's something about short, like bobs and just shorter length hair that just hits a little harder than the longer lengths to me. But yeah, that is it. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also check out Iziwigs. Follow me on Instagram, Snatched by Sharmel. And I will see you all in my next video.